Any other thoughts or comments before we go forward? So is there a motion to, can we put the proposal up on the board? The only thing that would be added to that is that with regard to local roads, we would focus on the failed roads.
I move that we add the failed local roads to whatever proposal we put forth.
Any discussion about that? All those in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed?
Opposed.
Okay. So are we ready to go forward with Tom?
No, I'm just reading with my finger.
Oh, okay.
People use their eyes.
Okay, so is there a motion to accept?
Yeah, I'll move the recommendation as presented by the subcommittee and as just amended.
Second.
All those in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed?
Opposed.
Thank you. So the motion carries. So we'll move on to our next, is there anything else you guys need to say? Okay, you're dismissed, you're just kind of hanging out there. I just wanted to, you may go to your seat. Thank you.